I was just gonna do a little cold start on my Craftsman 6.75 horsepower Eager-1 lawnmower mulcher. I don't have the bag for it anymore because it was old and kind of got messed up, and chewed on by dogs or whatever. But that's why I got the little trap door back here propped up by the throttle cable, or the whatever it is, the front wheel drive engage switch deal. But so that way, you know, if I didn't do that, it would get bogged down with grass a lot. If I leave it open like that, it blows it out the back. It blows it sideways, so it doesn't blow it on my feet or anything. It blows it the direction the blades are going. But yeah, here's a little cold start of it. Make sure I even have gas in it.